Konnichiwa. My first time at the library. This is a fairly new library. It was opened like 6 months ago. I'm gonna show you around. It's very, very big, but they only have a small section for English books.
Later that same evening.
Because Japan isn't ready for us. Japan is still not ready for foreigners.
Yeah.
Robots. Please wear mask. And that's my temperature right there. High technology. Wow. This is the English section. Here, just here. Yet, it's such a huge library. They don't care about us. I really want to say they don't really care about us. They have a really nice lookout. I'm gonna go there. Wow. Wow. Look at that. It's so relaxing. You could come here all day. Actually, when we came here this morning, they weren't opened as yet, and there were already like 30 persons waiting to come in. These people love to read. This is just one section of the library. Social distancing. So one person sit there, can't sit there. So neat and pretty. Logging at the library probably is not allowed. I don't want them, so I'm secretly doing it. You can probably search for the books that you want here. Like public access catalog. I think I'm gonna borrow this one just to check it out, see what it's all about. I'm on the second floor actually. Even a stone Buddha can talk. Japanese proverbs, wit and wisdom. Even monkeys fall from trees, meaning anyone can make a mistake. Consult anyone, even your knees. 2 heads are better than one. Hiza tomodango. 2 heads are better than one. Go ni iti wa go ni shitagai. Obey the customs of the village. Enter when in Rome, do as the Romans. Atake kara hamaguri wa torenu. You can get clams from a field, you can't get blood from stone. They have these proverbs. This is quite interesting. Jamaicans say, you can't make blood out of stone. Jack of all trades, master of none. Too many accomplishments make no accomplishment. Tagai wa mugai. Tagai wa mugai. The mouth is the gate of all evil. Kuchi wa wazawai no moto. One may study calligraphy at 80. This is very unique to Japan. It's never too late to learn. That's the universal message though. Hachiju no tenarai. Hachiju no tenarai. The leftover piece is lucky. Last but not least. Tokorin mono ni fuku ga ari. No komido.
She sells short shirts on 7th.
So, I set up Fleazy Sally so she said she'd see Samson Simpson to seek some serious satisfaction.
No korimono ni fuku ga ari. Last but not least. Hunger sharpens the mind. A full belly is not the stomach of a scholar. Tai shoku hara ni mitsureba.
We want to know, are people tanga twisting the tanga twisters, or tanga twisters are the ones tanga twist to tanga?
Gakumon hara ni irazo. This is in the Bible. Stolen food is tasty. Stolen cherries are sweeter. In the Bible it says stolen water is sweet. Musumi kui wa umai.
It worked. Just a moment. Okay, and then
Go ahead.
Yes, go ahead. Three. What? It says 4.
So you need to put 4? Ah.
No, it says 4. 4.
4.
Why not?
How about like this?
Okay. 3. Oh my God!
Why is it saying 4? Oops.
Clear. Oh, it's coming.
Finally.
Oh, but one is era. Which one? Akaji no hon. Akaji no hon. I don't know. Okay, let's go to the
there's an
counter.
error?
Let's go to.
そうなんか一冊エラーになったりしてややこしいんで、これ3冊でカード1枚出してもらっていいですか？わかりました。ありがとうございます。すいません。お願いいたします。一度式の方で読み込んでいただいたのはではこちらの3冊ということになりましたね。
多分2冊は読み込まれてる。
It's just an idea of some of the things, the books that they have in the English section. I really love Anne of Green Gables. They have Shakespeare, Macbeth. What is what? Astonishing story of immense power. Interesting. It's unlocked. careful. I decided that it's not going to be just blood-related family experiences.
The community
Yes.
is family.